Hi YouTubers, and welcome to EduKitchen Recipes for Learning. This video will give you a brief overview of our website and how to navigate through our three main services that we offer. First, we offer you a chance to work with your own personal tutor in supporting your math needs. Our tutors work with K-12 students using various math curriculums. We also offer English writing and editing support for students at the high school or university level. Second, we offer course materials, tips, and strategies that will support math learning, as well as preparing English language learners to take English standardized tests such as SATs, TOEFL, or IELTS. Third, we offer blog posts that showcase tips and strategies when it comes to being active in an online classroom. Our website is designed to share knowledge, tips, and strategies on approaching learning and education like you would approach completing a recipe in the kitchen. Both of these want successful outcomes, and so we provide tips, strategies, and videos on how to make educational success happen. We have 6 areas of specialization in strategies for online learning, strategies for math learning, sample math video lessons, tips for test prep, homework support, and writing support. Our view on education is one of how we approach learning. Our main ingredients in building successful recipes for learning include enthusiasm, confidence, and patience. We offer tips and strategies on how to approach learning in non-traditional ways. Look at math as a language. We show you how. Prepare to take tests you've always wanted to better your English skills. Let us tell you how. So, when you are ready to hire your own personal tutor or personal writer, join us on our contact page and click this button here and provide us with the necessary information such as your name, email, and which service you would like from us. You also have the option to upload a file, but remember, if you send us files as part of your request, please ensure that they are ready for us to edit. If you are still not sure and want to ask more questions, please contact us and we will be happy to answer any questions you may have. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial of our website and visit us at edukitchen.net to get started today. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos from EduKitchen Recipes for Learning.